Hey guys, John here, aka Tech Reviews 919. Today I'm going to be talking about a program that helps me with the Amazon Influencer Program. It's called Vue. Today I'm going to talk about somewhat my process and also some new features that just make this program that much more valuable. Sorry. Um, First, I want to thank Cade and Trevin. You guys are awesome. You guys make this program that much better and keep us informed. As you can see, this is my homemade Viral View hat and my homemade Viral View t-shirt. Until I get that swag box from you guys or win my prizes, this is what I got. Hope you guys don't mind. Anyway, let's get started. All right, guys, I'm going to go through some of the new features Viral View has. If you don't have it and you're an Amazon influencer, it is a game changer. You can find the information in my description, but if you're not already, follow this channel and like this video, and I'm going to show you a few new features that are worth everything alone of this program. So let's get started. I'm going to start by, you got the add-on here, you click here. I don't know if it shows up in the screen recording. I hope it does. And we're going to click upload content. It's going to bring you to this page. We're going to click upload, drag, and we're going to select this video right here. And while it's uploading, we're going to come back over here and we're going to get the ASINs, which we're going to click this one. This will copy to your clipboard, and this will copy the parent ASIN and the ASIN for this particular product. I'm going to copy that, come back here, and what we're going to do, we're going to paste this, and we're not hit tag yet because while it's uploading, we're going to go ahead and work on it, and it'll search for comparison. So there it says there's no comparing video found, which is not so great for this demonstration. Typically, it will show you options from the top carousel, titles, and then the bottom carousel. Unfortunately, this product apparently does not have any competing videos, which is kind of interesting. But we can do we'll do the generate title. Click generate. It's generating, and then you can choose from one of these. If you don't like one of these, you can always regenerate. So for time purposes, we're gonna select one, and then we'll go ahead and hit tag. Of course, it's not going to tag. We'll go ahead and wait for this to upload. It's uploaded, and then the two tag ASINs are there. There we go. See the two product ASINs. We've already done the AI tagging. And before we go any further, I'm going to go on to the next features. We're going to cross post to Amazon. I'm going to show you how I do it, and I'm going to point out some of the new features. If you're not doing it already, make sure you are. It don't take much more time. I'm going to click upload a video, and if you haven't seen this before, you'll see it will automatically put the title in here and the description, and it will also put in your Viral View backlink. So that will make it so you can track your clicks, but also the main feature is if someone opens it up in their phone or device, it's I think they said it's like 30% better conversion rate because people don't have to log in. This will make it where if they're already logged into their Amazon app, it'll go straight to it. And some people will say, "Oh, I don't want to log in." So I can explain that more in other videos. So we got that. So we're going to go through what I usually do next is go ahead and I got to rearrange my categories. I'll go in and click all these, it's not made for kids, Yes, no AI used, and then I'll come down, scroll all the way down, what you want to do is you want to click links, link product, and this will put this will take the ASINs and take your links and put them in your media links. So it automatically put it into your viral view media links. So next, what I'll do, we're gonna go ahead and generate with AI. You want to click generate tags, which this is a big one because I've spent so much time generating tags. So it's going to generate tags for your products, and then you're going to apply. You can regenerate, but I usually take the first ones. Click apply, and you're going to scroll down. Oh, there they are. Sorry, I have to edit this. So there are all the tags. So that's another great new feature. Manage templates. I haven't seen use this one yet. Okay, this is the main template. You can have multiple templates for your YouTube description. So for example, I have one for the products, and then I have a whole nother one for viral review. So when I upload this viral review, I'll use this template, and then I have all my links for my viral review affiliate link and all that good stuff. So I'm going to click out of that. Just want to show you that real quick. And you can also generate title, but we already did that on the Amazon side, so I'm not going to do that. So that's my next step, which is not totally new, is I will go into Canva, and I've demonstrated this in my previous video if you want to check it out. I have a template made already. Open that up. And then you'll go to apps, and there is an app that is specifically for Amazon creators. And what we'll do, we'll go back to the product, and we will get the actual ASIN for this flashlight. Copy it, come back, and you will paste it here. Hit enter, and it'll bring in the clips. What I do is I remove the previous one from my template. Click this, exit, tag and design. And then I kind of adjust it the way I like it. Again, I have a pre-made template that I use, which speeds up the process. Some people don't like using templates. Using thumbnails because they say it takes up time. But if you have a template, and again, if I'm doing this without recording, I do it a lot faster. But then I'll also come over here, and you can do this however you want, but I'll come and copy the description. And again, you can make your own, or to me, it's just simpler. And I copy it, come back over here, replace this text. Glamour get in my way. There we go. Sorry. Paste. And of course, I'll adjust it so it fits. I'll shrink it down a little bit. And I'll either shrink it down or I'll move it up so it's lined up. I'll share. Download. Make sure you download the right one. Done. There we go. So that's done. I'll come back over here, click upload file. Again, once you do it, it's a lot faster. I'm doing a recording, so it's taking a little longer. I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna put it there. And then that's pretty much it. You can add other stuff, but for time purposes, we are just gonna go through it, make sure they're linked. They're already linked. And we're gonna go next. And you can add other things here. I won't go through that for time purposes. And of course here it's gonna do it's gonna check, for copyright issues. I'll go through there. All right, now as everything's done, we're gonna click next, and we're gonna go ahead and publish. And that's it for the YouTube. Let's see, next, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the next new. Oh, also, just you see right here, accept campaigns. There's a campaign for this product, so I'm going to click that. So it automatically accepts the campaign and creator connections. I almost forgot that. So we're going to look at another cross post. I just started posting to Pinterest. I have to kind of revamp my Pinterest, but just for demonstration purposes, you'll see here's the Viral Vue Pinterest Assistant. It will tag. It already puts the tag in there. I've only done this a couple of times, so it has the affiliate tag and it has a disclaimer, and then you can click suggest details. And then you can choose what you want, recharge a flashlight, we'll just use this for time purposes. And then it has a description. Well, you can generate description, but we'll use this just for time purposes. And you can click that and it'll move that out of the way. And then take this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it because the video might be too large, but let's see. Yeah, it's too large. So what you can do, you use a program called Handbrake. I'll do another video on that, but let me do something so we can move on. Hold on. All right, I went ahead and compressed it and uploaded the file, and then you click publish. And it's there, it's published. There's a few more steps to this. However, I had put it under Amazon Gadget under $50. You can change this. Again, I've only done this like once, so I'll do more videos. I just wanted to get this out there. So let's see what else. The post here, and then you're gonna go ahead and submit. And that's part of my process. There's a little bit more to it, but for time purposes, I kind of condensed it. I'll do more videos. I just wanted to do this for Viral Vue. And again, if you don't know what Viral Vue is and you're an Amazon influencer, make sure you check the link in the profile in the description and check it out. There is a free version. Of course, you don't get all the options, but it's a good way to get started and get familiar with it. Again, thanks for watching, and hopefully have my real swag soon.